Looking ahead to the trading week beginning April 11th, we're coming off of a week where all four indices were down. Dow was down slightly, S&P down over 1%, NASDAQ down over 3%, Russell down over 4%. We're going into a week where early we've got a lot of Fedspeak. Tuesday, we've got US CPI, which I'll mention again in a minute. And then we've got a Bank of Canada and ECB rate decision. So both rate decisions, which will matter quite a bit in the currency picture and the yield picture. And when you look at what happened with US yields, the 2-year up 13 basis points this week, 5-year up 19, the 10-year up 33 basis points to 271, and the 30-year up 31 basis points. Inversions have come out of the market in the 2s, 10s, and in the 5s, 30s. They're both up by about 26 and 12 basis points respectively. It's only a couple of small places where the yield curve is still inverted. So the main inversions are gone from the curve. We've also got earnings starting this week. We start with the big banks with Wells Fargo, Morgan Stanley, Goldman Sachs, and Citigroup, along with Delta Airlines, CarMax, United Healthcare Group, Taiwan Semiconductor, Bed Bath & Beyond, and Rite Aid all next week. Then in terms of data, we actually started on Sunday, April 10th with Chinese March inflation figures. Then Monday, April 11th, UK GDP. Tuesday, April 12th, final German inflation figures for March and UK employment data. Also Chinese new yuan loans and ZEW economic sentiment indexes for both the EU and Germany. March inflation data then in the US, that's that big CPI number that I already mentioned. On Wednesday, we've got US PPI data and we get the Bank of Canada rate decision. Then on Thursday, that important ECB rate decision where they've got the concerns with the conflict mixed in with higher inflation figures that they got recently. And then on Friday, we get March industrial production figures in the US. By the way, Thursday, we also get preliminary Michigan consumer sentiment data for April.